how to find out what your IP address is of your network card. Hi, how's it going? I'm Malachi, CEO and engineer of Elite Automation. Today I wanted to show you how to find out what your IP address is of your network card. So that way, if you have a network that you're plugged into and you have internet access through a DHCP, but then you don't have the ability to hard set your Ethernet IP address, then there's a way to go about figuring that out. So we're gonna go ahead and come down here into our computer, pop open this caret right here, and you should have like your Wi-Fi or whatever. Click on that, and then go to your network and internet settings. And then you could also do from here, I believe, open network and internet settings. So then this screen right here will pop up. You want to go change adapter options. Then you'll get your network connection screen to pop up. Okay, notice we have a Wi-Fi right here, and we also have a hardwired connection as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna right click on this, click status, and then click detail. And then right here, this IPv address, this will tell you what your current IP address is sitting at. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the other one, see what its IP address is sitting on. Status, details, 192.168.4.74. So there you go. It's that easy. That's all you need to be able to do to see what your IP address is. If you want to change your IP address, you can just right click, go to properties, and then go to your Ethernet protocol version 4. Double click into that, and see how right here it says obtain automatically. You basically just want to change this to use this IP address, and then put whatever desired IP address you want, and then generally 255.255.255 for the most part. And then I just hit OK, and I let the computer do the rest. But hopefully that was useful for you guys. Hopefully you figured out whatever it was you needed to figure out in this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.